Today we're looking at a 2015 Honda CRV EX. It's a certified unit. It's got 22,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's white orchid metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the lock unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with the power sunroof. Driver's side of the CRV is in good shape. It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good. Once again, got the lock unlock on the passenger side door. Does have the blind spot monitoring camera, and I'll show you that when we turn the CRV on. But everything on the exterior of the CRV is in great shape. Okay, it is a certified unit. It's a 2015 with 22,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black door panels with a nice beige insert. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have your econ button here. Alright, blind spot monitoring button here. Does have the beige cloth. It's a power driver seat with beige cloth. Driver seat's in great shape. Go ahead and pull this back, give you a shot of the sunroof there. Alright, it does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Heated seats. Got you a power outlet there. In the center console, we also have the HDMI, 2 USB ports, and another power outlet there. Passenger seat cloth is also in really good shape. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your push button start, your climate control area there. It's going to have your display screen here with the backup camera. You got another display screen up here. It does have your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 22,349 miles on it. Alright, we'll go ahead and show you the display screens here now that we've got the CRV started. Alright, there's your home page. Okay, and we can activate the backup camera. Alright, then you got your display screen up here, kind of gives your average fuel, the range. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. One thing I wanted to include in the video here that I forgot on the first pass was it's got the blind spot monitoring system. Okay, and what that is it shows you your blind spot on the display screen here in the front. It can either be activated by the button there that I showed you, okay, or your turn signal. Okay, just another safety feature that Honda offers out there. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems at all back here. Everything's in good shape. Does have the center console that comes down. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and look back in the back. See your storage area back here. Alright, got the nice rubber protector mat back here. Got your spare tire as well. Alright, everything nice and clean back here. It does have the sunshade as well. Okay, and the one thing I like about these CRVs is it's got 2 handles back here. Simply pull the handle. Alright, your seats are going to fall down on or go down by themselves. Same thing there. Alright, it really opens it up back here. You can take that sunshade out. Okay, and you can see just how much it opens it up. Ton of room back here. Alright, the seats are light but durable. Okay, really easy just to lift back up into place. Seat comes back down. Same thing on this side. Seat comes right up, locks into place. Boom, you're right there. You're ready to go. Let's check out the wheels and tires. Got 17-inch alloys. Tires are still in really good shape. Alright. Go ahead and shut this door here. Alright, once again, we've got a 2015 certified Honda CRV EX, 22,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in phenomenal shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.